Hey, welcome back, Van here. Today we're going to do a review of this Cobra Tools. It unclogs tubs, showers, sinks. Been having problems with this since we've bought the house. The upstairs bathroom not draining the tub didn't. We're going to take this off. We have pulled some hair out of this. Sent two of them, eh? Alright. You'll be able to get this thing going the right direction. Yeah, there's a big stoppage right there. Wow, that's in there, boy. Well, yeah. Wow, God dang. Look at that. What in the world? Man, good gosh. Holy boom. God dang. Alright. Let's see here. Alright. Okay. That's what the instruction says to do, is push it all the way down to the handle right there. Pull it out slow so you don't splash anything in your face. Man, I should have brought some needle nose pliers up here. Dang. Well, I'm gonna have to go get some pliers. Probably should have got my hemostats. Yeah. My goodness. All right, get this out of the way right here. My goodness. My goodness. Let's see what we get. It wouldn't drain before, so we are promising. All we needed to do was get that down past the P-trap back there. Oh, I think we're good. Probably washed all that down. That's a pretty good product right here. Now y'all check out my other videos on home improvement DIY projects. Hope you found this video to be helpful to you in some kind of way. If you did, use the comment section down below and leave a comment. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back. Yeah. Hey, I'm proud of this. That's good right there. Yep. Screw that back down. Come on, baby. Get on in there.